Wait a minute. I saved how much money in my campaign last month? All right, today we're talking about how we use Clickcease in our digital marketing agency to combat click fraud. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Mike Mancini, a digital agency owner for the last 10 years. So you might be asking, what is click fraud and how does it affect or impact our Google Ads campaigns? So when it comes to Google Ads, click fraud is essentially the practice of repeatedly clicking on an ad with the intention of draining revenue from the advertiser. So where we've seen this happen in the past is, let's say I have a plumbing company that I'm advertising on Google Ads. In some instances, maybe some competitors or somebody who doesn't like you will literally go to your ad and just keep clicking it until your budget runs out. Or let's say I have a competing plumbing company where I might go in and just literally click all of the ads for all of the competitors just to drive up their costs. And this is obviously a horrible, horrible process. Please don't ever click an ad if you don't intend to possibly use that service. Now, if you're wondering just how many clicks we can really attribute to click fraud, nobody's really sure. But from our past experience, we see anywhere around 15% of clicks could be click fraud. That means $15 out of every $100 you spend on your ad campaign could essentially be wasted. But click fraud is also defined as somebody who might click an ad, get to a landing page, not find what they're looking for, click the back button, and click the same ad again. That's essentially a duplicate click. Now, that person's not going to sign up with you. They didn't the first time. However, you're going to be charged every time they click that ad. So the way that we combat click fraud in our digital marketing agency is we use a product called Clickcease. So essentially, Clickcease can help you with duplicate clicks, competitor clicks, somebody who might be using a VPN or virtual private network to hide their identity and just go and start clicking other people's ads. It helps where somebody might click on an ad and never get to the website and just keep clicking the ad. It also helps identify fraudulent devices, clickbots, AI, you get the idea. But when a client works with us, we install Clickcease on every single campaign that we run. And let me hop in and I'm going to show you the results of one particular campaign, how much money it saved in just 30 days. Let's look at it. So here we are inside a campaign. Now this is for an electrician campaign in a very, very competitive market. So as you can see, the cost per clicks run about $29. You can see the different threat levels that Clickcease identifies it at as low, substantial, critical, and also by the device, mobile and desktop. Now stay with me. I'm going to show you how much it saved here in just a second. If we scroll down here, you can see the fraudulent countries that the clicks have come from. Now we only run our ads in the US in certain areas, but we have Clickcease block anyone else from outside of the country even seeing those ads. But you can also see here the fraud type. Over threshold means that somebody's clicked an ad and it saved them from clicking it again. Fraudulent devices, somebody using a VPN. You can see a few people have bounced, so it keeps them from clicking the ad again. All of these different things. So just how much do you think installing this software saved us on one campaign? Well, as you can see here, based on our average cost per click, it has saved us $2,192 in a single month. That's in 1 month of ad spend for this campaign. Now, certain industries have a higher instance of click fraud than others, and in some campaigns, we see very little. However, it doesn't really matter. What we want to do is for any fraudulent clicks, we want to save that money and make sure it stays in the campaign to help us get qualified leads for our clients. Clickcease works wonders, especially if you are in a home service business. And it could not be easier to set up. Let me show you how. You literally just go into Account, Billings and Domains, add a new domain, put your domain in here, and what it will do is it will allow you to pick several industries where they have suggested settings and templates. We're going to enter in just a test domain here just to show you what's going on. And I'm not going to set the domain industry. Click the button. First, all you got to do is click Google Ads. And here you can connect with Google and it will link, or you can actually just enter in your Google Ads ID located in the upper left or right-hand corner of your Google Ads account. So the best way to do this is link it manually. What you want to do is go to your Google Ads account and copy the 10-digit number that you see right here. Paste it in Clickcease, say connect Google Ads account. Go back to your Google Ads account, go to Tools and Settings, Access and Security, go to Managers. You will see Clickcease Client Center and click Accept. Grant access, and you can see we've given it access. Go back to Clickcease, and we have installed it. Now, to go back to your Google Ads account, just make sure this is done. Click the back button, get to the front page, go to Settings, Account Settings, go to Tracking, and make sure that this tracking template is installed where it says clickcease.com is installed onto your account. Also, back on Clickcease, you can click on Domain Settings and Domain Tracking Setup. What you want to do is you want to add this code to any landing page that you are driving traffic to with ads. You can either use Google Tag Manager or you can just copy this and it goes right after the opening body tag. And you can see the tracking template that we just checked is already installed in Google Ads automatically. Now inside domain settings, there's a number of different things. You can do different detection rules. You can say somebody can click up an ad up to 3 times within 7 days or 2 times within 10 minutes. Or you can suggest rules. Just make sure you click on update. You can block IPs by country. We do this on all of them. We will say like United States. Only allow clicks coming from the following countries, the US, right? And you can go through the rest on your own. But the craziest thing about this software is simply the cost. Just look at 5 accounts that we have. In the last 30 days, it has saved us, what, $5,000+ in 5 accounts. And the cost starts at simply $69 a month. If you're an agency and you purchase the yearly plan, this will run you $87 a month to protect all of your clients, not individually, all of them. We just showed you an example of saving $5,000 in 5 accounts. Is this worth $87 a month to me to basically take that $5,000 that was saved, re-inject it back into those campaigns and get my clients more business? Since I found this software about 4 years ago, I have not turned on a Google Ads campaign without installing this. I can't recommend it enough. I use it every day and it helps keep my clients' budgets intact. If you want this awesome special, down in the description area below, there will be a link. Click on that link, go to Clickcease, sign up, and help save the budgets of your clients' Google Ads campaigns. If you already use Clickcease, do me a favor, drop a comment below and take the biggest campaign that you have. How much money has it saved you? And if you want some more tips, tricks, and secrets that I use presently in my Google Ads agency, there's another link down there for Ads Agency Unlocked. It is my course where I teach digital agency owners everything that we use, all our tips, tricks, secrets, tools, spreadsheets, anything that you can possibly imagine. And I show you how I run my multiple 6-figure digital agency in less than 90 minutes a day. Go check that out below. So did you get some great value out of this? Please do me a favor, hit that like button. It really does help us in the eyes of YouTube. And if you want to see some more related videos, over to the right-hand side, you will see some of those. As always, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so very much for dropping in, and I'll see you next time.